If you have ever dreamed of studying in the United Kingdom for free, earning a world-class master's degree, building a powerful global network, and joining one of the most prestigious leadership communities in the world, then the Chevening Scholarship might be your biggest opportunity in 2026. Every year, thousands apply, but only a small percentage succeed. The difference is not luck, the difference is strategy. In this video, I will show you exactly how to position yourself to win the Chevening Scholarship in 2026. Let's start with understanding what Chevening really is, because many applicants misunderstand it. Chevening is not just a scholarship, it is the UK government's global leadership program. They are not looking for the smartest student. They are looking for future leaders, influencers, and changemakers. If your application reads like you just want a free degree, you will lose. But if your application shows impact, leadership, and a clear future vision, you immediately stand out. That is the first secret to winning Chevening in 2026. You must think like a leader, not like a student. Chevening does not require a first-class degree. What they require is a solid undergraduate qualification, at least 2 years of work experience, which equals about 2,800 hours, admission to 3 eligible UK master's programs, and a strong commitment to return to your home country after your studies. That work experience can include internships, volunteering, or professional roles. Chevening values impact over job titles. Here is where many applicants fail. They wait until the application portal opens before they start preparing. Winners start months in advance. If you are serious about Chevening 2026, preparation should begin now. Research courses that align with your career goals. Chevening wants to see that your chosen degree connects directly to your past work and your future vision. Your course must answer one important question. How will this degree help you create change when you return home? Now let's discuss the most important part of the Chevening application, the 4 essays. These essays decide everything. Your grades do not win Chevening. Your essays do. The first essay is the leadership essay. This is where you must demonstrate real leadership experience. Do not write theory. Tell a story. Show when you led a project, influenced a decision, solved a problem, or created an initiative. Use measurable results. Numbers make your story powerful. The second essay is the networking essay. Chevening is all about building a global network, so they're really looking for people who can connect, collaborate, and, influence others. You'll want to show how you've built professional relationships in the past, and also how you'll use the Chevening network to create partnerships in the future. The third essay is the studying in the UK essay. This is where you need to justify why the UK is absolutely essential for your goals. Make sure to mention specific universities, specific modules, and the resources available in the UK that you just can't access locally. The fourth essay is the career plan essay. Here, you should present a clear short-term, mid-term, and long-term vision. Explain what you'll do immediately after returning home, what change you'll implement in 5 years, and what influence you'll have in 10 years. Now let me ask you a question. What course are you planning to apply for under Chevening 2026? Go ahead and write it in the comments. Saying it publicly, well, it really helps you stay committed to your goal. Another key strategy is choosing the right referees. Your references must support your leadership story, not just confirm your employment. Select people who can speak about your achievements, your initiative, and your influence. You must also apply to 3 UK master's programs and secure at least 1 unconditional offer. Start early. Choose courses that match your professional background and future plans. Alignment is everything. Chevening selection panels read thousands of essays. They can immediately detect generic statements. Your application must sound like your lived experience. Authenticity is honestly your strongest advantage. Common mistakes that cause rejection every year include writing essays that are too general, choosing unrelated courses, failing to show measurable impact, submitting applications without a clear career vision, and focusing on personal benefit instead of national or community impact. If you want to avoid these mistakes and, see real examples of winning applications, make sure you get the scholarship ebook linked in the description and the pinned comment. It actually contains numerous motivation letters from successful scholars and shows exactly how they structured their stories and optimized their documents to win fully funded scholarships. Let's talk about the interview stage. Reaching the interview means you are already a strong candidate. The Chevening interview focuses on your leadership journey, your plans to return home, your chosen courses, and how you will use the Chevening network. This is not an academic interview, it is a leadership conversation. Preparation should include reviewing your essays, staying informed about issues affecting your field, and clearly explaining how you will create change. Think of it as presenting your life mission. Another powerful strategy is demonstrating continuous growth. Volunteer work, professional development, community projects, and leadership roles strengthen your profile. Do not wait to be selected before you start making an impact. Start now. Applications typically open around August and close in early November. Interviews happen the following year, and studies begin in the UK around September or October. That means your preparation window is now. Chevening is not searching for perfect people. They are searching for purposeful people. Your background does not need to be extraordinary. Your vision and actions do. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, studying in the UK, fully funded, connected to a global network of leaders, and equipped with the knowledge to transform your community. That journey begins with preparation, clarity, and a compelling application. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who needs this opportunity, and subscribe for more scholarship strategies. And don't forget to download the scholarship ebook from the link in the description and comment to access real examples that will help you optimize your application and win fully funded scholarships. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing your Chevening success story.